Hi there, my name is Katie McGraw, and here is my 2019 Spring W200 final video about my ePortfolio. So here's the homepage of my ePortfolio, and there's a quick link here to the About Me page where you can learn a little bit about me. Here it talks about I am a sophomore studying elementary education with a minor in counseling at Indiana University. I work at the IU auditorium. I love spending time outdoors, and I'm involved with various campus organizations. And my favorite subject is English, and I hope to become a second grade teacher someday. Specifically, I dive into my teaching beliefs. I have a link to my resume and my beliefs about technology in the classroom. So in this paragraph, I talk about how I believe technology has a great power to engage students and enhance their learning, but this must be done in a very thoughtful way. I feel it's only appropriate to use technology when it has been well thought out and actually provides something extra to the lesson, because I do feel that there is still a lot of meaning in more traditional teaching strategies. So on to the next page is Gallery, where I put 4 of my best artifacts. The first one was my PBL lesson plan, which you can see here. And I really enjoyed making this lesson plan because I love the idea of PBL, and I think it is a great strategy to use at any grade level. So I could definitely see myself using this lesson in my future second grade classroom. Basically, this lesson was about students conducting research in groups and collaborating on writing projects. Here I have the grabber with a kid president video to initially engage the students, and then we get into the main activities and the culminating activity in which students will collaborate to make a group project based off of their writing about a change they want to make in their school. So I can definitely see myself using that. Another one that I really enjoyed making was the computational thinking artifact. And here's a video explaining the artifact, but basically I made this board game called Road to the Finish based off of the code.org lesson plan called The Big Event Junior. And again, I think this is a really fun, engaging way to get students excited about coding and to ensure that they kind of understand the basics. So I could definitely see myself using this game or something similar as a way to supplement the code.org lesson plan. And finally, another artifact that I really liked was my digital citizenship artifact, in which I based it off of this Going Places Safely online, and I actually made an online book here to supplement the lesson about a young child who goes on kind of an adventure, and it's a great way to make some connections between how we are safe in public, in real life, and how that connects to being safe online. So I could also see myself reading this book in my future classroom to students because I feel like it's really applicable and interesting to them since it is about a kid. So those are kind of my best products, I think, that came from W200. And W200 in general has taught me a lot about how technology isn't some big, scary thing that teachers can't tackle. In fact, it's actually quite doable and easy to implement at any grade level. Again, I just feel like it's very important to be thoughtful about this, and therefore I'm really looking forward to having my own classroom someday and planning lessons with the technology artifacts that we've learned about, the different sites and resources, and making even more meaningful experiences for my students with a combination of traditional classroom teaching and the use of technology. So thank you very much for watching.